Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Kandee. Hi! You guys know Kandee. She is amazing. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't checked out Kandee's channel, I'm gonna put her link down below, so go show her some love and subscribe. Also, if you are new to the channel and would like to show some support, click subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. I invited her over today because I love Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays ever, and Kandee is a makeup guru.
So you're testing my skill.
Yes, well I just thought you'd be the perfect person to hang out with and try $5 Halloween makeup kits that I found online. Now, I made a video with Miranda last year.
Which was hilarious.
$5 kits, and they came out with new ones. And I was like, oh! This year, the new, we've got the Zipper FX kit, which I've seen a lot of these on Instagram.
Yeah, I feel like that's not a new one, but is new to Fun World.
Yeah, this is like trending right now. I've also got the devil. And then Kandee, who do you have?
I've got Killer Clown.
Oh yeah, it.
And then of course the broken doll. There's dust in my makeup already.
The first one I'm gonna do is the Zipper FX kit.
And I shall do the dusty doll.
We got these little sponges, and these are the only beauty blenders we can use for ages 15 and up.
Oh, heaven forbid you're 14 and want to look like a broken doll.
No.
This is not the product for you.
Place Zipper on your face in desired location.
Oh shoot, I need scissors? What I just wiped off of the eyeshadow.
I'm just gluing this straight on my face.
What is even? Oh no! You have to tap it. You tap it with your finger and it makes it tacky.
Then
when it gets really tacky and real sticky.
Okay, Kandee, you are the perfect friend to come over.
So
it
terrible.
Really smells.
Were you supposed to do the bloody part first, or they say save that for later?
They told me do this, I think.
What if we both break out next week because we put this on?
Or I'm probably gonna break out today.
Right now, I might be breaking out
right now. Then it says I take this.
Oh shoot.
And paint dark circles around my eyes.
I gotta get this lipstick on. Great! Do you have white makeup? Why does her face look white?
Oops.
Wow.
The nice thing about was after working with the glue is you can just, you don't even have to hold your beauty blender.
Sponge.
It just sticks
your
to your
sponge is right there.
Boop, boop, boop. So
oh
I gotta,
my gosh, look at this blotchiness.
Gotta make my face white over here.
I don't think my skin looks porcelain like a doll's.
You look great, Kandee.
Thanks, you're such a good friend. You know, the old trick is that if you blend enough, it will just all melt in. Just keep blending, just keep blending. Unless this is how your product looks, then maybe don't blend.
I'm looking just like the picture now. We're
all you
almost
need is
twins.
the blood and you're like the same person.
I just need like torn up, bloody, kind of like meaty look right here. This is called bloody scab. Using a sponge, fill in the open wound. That's what they're calling this area.
Yeah, your whole lower part is going to be an open wound.
Open wound area with bloody scab. And extend the blood into the neck area if desired. Look how thick it is.
Oh my gosh.
What if I showed up at your house like this, like, hey girl, let's go out for dinner.
Ew. Worms. Oh, there you go.
Just keep blending, just keep blending.
Oh yeah, it's looking gross and bloody.
Oh my god, this looks so creepy.
Do I look like my forehead's cracking or what? Oh my gosh.
I love it.
I'm like a rapper. I mean, everybody's getting face tattoos. So I just feel like I'm on trend.
All right, I've done it.
We're off to a good start. You're done?
Oh, I almost forgot. Important detail.
What?
Zipper down.
What did you do?
Now the look is complete.
You are trending right now. This is not, oh, I didn't even use my pink.
Wait, last step, Kandee needs her lash.
How do I know which is top and bottom?
Probably,
and it's not even bending to
probably made out of makeup farts.
It's probably made out of like unicorn
farts.
Noses or something.
Oh
okay, this is not even sticking down.
It looks beautiful.
Look at that glamour.
You look gorgeous.
This is very popular on Instagram. I feel. Oh, look at how sad Cookie's looking at you, Ro.
I know, she's being
Like she thinks you're hurt.
Probably.
You know how they say like dogs know when you're injured or something?
Yeah.
I know, Cookie.
She probably thinks that's what's going on here.
We're okay. We just look terrible. Like we're
know.
not okay.
It's okay. Mommy's
Uh-oh,
okay.
was this the top?
I just look like this. Okay, let's hold him up.
Okay. You look great.
You look like the perfect porcelain doll.
Your blood work, I feel you could get a job doing special effects.
Really?
Yeah.
I love it. What do you think?
I
think we did pretty good.
I think we did okay.
All right, so that is what this one looked like. Now we're gonna go on to the next decorating kit.
I'm so excited.
Now I am going to become this handsome devil.
And his cousin, the killer clown.
Okay, I gotta use my little hair clip.
Yes.
This,
Oh my gosh, you have goatee hair. Goatee hair and adhesive.
I have hair?
What do I have got? I've got some liquid latex. Oh, ouch. Your remover. You need your remover. Normally you have to soak it with your, I'm so. Bro, you are one tough woman.
This was my reference point. Just ripped him apart. Now I'm not have anything to go off of. Yep, that's hair. Ew.
Oh my gosh, if this is the only thing that stays on, are you kidding me?
Should I glue these on? Oh
No,
my gosh.
Yeah, you should. Even a headband?
You
don't
don't
even
even
have to glue them. You just put them on.
Just. You put it on like that. They made it clear. Pro makeup question, Candy. Would someone put these horns on before or after the red foundation?
I feel like it's making me cry off the glue that was making my eyes water before.
Please relax. I'm just gonna build on the
This is
foundation of the zipper makeup because the whole face is red. So
Look at you! Look at how much red you went in.
I am
hard
ready.
and
I am ready. Happy
This
Halloween.
hurts your face.
It really does.
You know, I'm taking this black out because he's gonna ruin it like that.
Hit Pam. Hit Pam.
You are such a beauty guru, bro. You know the
I
terminology.
thought you would appreciate that. I did a little studying before you came over.
You did a little research.
So I could speak your lingo. Wait, what's this?
That's your latex for your hair. Wait, no, you should have spirit gum for the hair. Why are they telling you to put it on with latex? They're trying to kill you.
That's what came with it.
If the latex does not come off, you can put some olive oil on it.
This handsome devil has got a mean smoky eye.
Gonna have
Okay,
to go
we need
over
a bigger smoky eye.
I feel like my pores are choking.
And then I gotta really get these flared eyebrow look. Cause you know,
That's his hair.
the devil's in the details.
You need these all. Look at these. You know what's great about this is it's kind of like the texture of Crisco. Like it's not gonna blend in. It's just kind of hovering on top of your pores.
It does feel very oily. Like this
feels gross.
like if sunblock could also be makeup. I'm only gonna glue on the beard, so he's got this
What
great
is this thing for?
No Shave November. Now this is a very detailed beard and mustache.
Black makeup, use the brush. This.
Okay, I need to put on
Oh
my
my
fake,
gosh, this hurts.
fake hair now. I don't know if the devil really has a goatee.
Oh, I think you should put it on your skin first.
Oh, you do?
Then you just push the hair on it.
Oh.
Oh, that smell is the worst.
That smells back.
I can smell it again. Just a little
Okay.
clearing the nose. Don't be done yet, Ro. I didn't even
I'm
do
not.
my
I
triangles.
gotta position my horns and
That's
my teeth.
it?
And my teeth.
Oh my gosh, Ro, you are too fast.
I'm really great at these kits.
You're really good. You're a professional $4.99 kit doer.
I am. I feel like one's going down and one's going up.
Shoot.
I feel like
Can you
a messed
twist
up
him?
goat or something.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my
why
gosh,
am I
look
gonna
at
do
this. It comes with makeup remover.
They're so nice.
This is
They're
pretty.
so thoughtful. Okay, I have latex too.
Well, how is their hair hitting in my mouth? The
gosh,
makeup
this
remover is
It's terrible.
Look at it, Candy.
What is that, Vaseline?
I don't know. Oops.
I don't know where this is going. It says for wounds.
Forget them. let's just add your own
And I need a
blood.
blow dryer. This is too much work. Now we're just.
I'm sorry, I must have given you the
blood.
hard one.
I didn't even really look at your holes.
Here, Kandee, let me help you. I'm gonna help you.
Bro, you look so good.
I know.
I'm not even great yet. Oh,
You need some blood coming out of the corners of your eyes and on your creepy smile.
You're right. This is beautiful.
Apply the hair in layers. See, I didn't do that. I just stuck it all on my chin. It says trim and shape the hair to be a pointed goatee. Like you're supposed to like cut it to be even pointier.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh.
I didn't do a very good job. I don't really, this is a very curly hair.
Oh, yeah, this looks great.
Well, that's pretty pointy. I look pretty good in a beard. I mean, like, the blood looks awesome, Kandee. That's
I think the latex makes it so I can't talk. Like my face feels really tight.
It
yours?
is. My chin does feel tight. This is looking so
I like the
good.
jelly. It feels like a treatment after my dry glue.
Perfect. And then our teeth.
Amazing. And now I can't talk one.
Ooh, these smell bad.
It's making me talk. It's like claustrophobia for my nose.
Ooh, help the whole room.
Look at where I'm going.
It tickles. Okay, wait, let me do it again.
I said I was literally crying tears. I didn't understand the thing.
You did such a good job. I mean, you look just
Bro,
like a clown. Ready?
I'm literally crying so much. I'm like the crying scary clown.
Kandee, that was good. You said we killed it because you're the killer.
How did you know what I said? You're so good. I can't even breathe. And the sponges turned my nose red. Look at me crying. Like I look like I drew these fake tears in. Look at your beard.
I think I have so much hair in my mouth. Oh my gosh. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was so silly. We tried 4 new $5 Halloween makeup kits. I absolutely love Halloween, and a big thank you to my friend Kandee. Kandee, thank you for coming over and trying these with me.
Anytime, Ro. I mean, this is a real treat. I've never cried so hard in makeup in my life.
This was a really funny first for us. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and to show us some support, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And I'll be putting Kandee's links in the description down below. So again, go show her some love and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which Halloween kit look was your favorite. Yeah, what was your favorite? What was your most favorite and your least favorite? You like this one? Did you like?
I love a thing for goatees.
Well, I cut this beard myself. Oh yeah, that's
So talented.
All right, bye you guys, and happy Halloween. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna need this entire
I literally was crying
to get all this makeup off.
Oh my
Kandee, that
gosh.
was a real special effect you did.
I did. You look at your special effects. Your beard.
I'm gonna pull it off. Ready?
Oh my gosh, it's gonna hurt you.
Like a Band-Aid.
Ready, go.
1, 2, 3.